Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to give you a quick video of some of the latest products that I've been playing with. I don't mean they are the newest products on the market. Some are older. But I've been playing with these recently, and I've noticed after the fact that these are excellent products. So let me just get right into the video. Let me tell you guys, a lot of you guys like me to do some of my favorite product videos, and these are actual products that I've used, and I'm looking at the results as the last week or the week before that go by, or as I've used them over and over. So let's start with a soap, and this is a soap you can use in a hand wash or a foam cannon. It's by DIY Detail. It's called Incredible Suds. This soap is crazy sudsy and super concentrated. So previously I put an ounce or two into a foam cannon, filled it up and used it. I used it all the way down about 3/4 of the way, and I filled it with water. I used it again without adding soap. I did that 3 or 4 times and it kept sudsing. More foam kept coming out of the damn cannon. I couldn't kill this soap. Finally today I finished it, and I mean, that's weeks after I've been using this like that in that foam cannon. So I think I got about 4 or 5 uses out of 1.5, 2 ounces, whatever I had started with. I don't remember because it was a while back. And this soap is awesome, lots of foam, and keeps regenerating more foam and more foam and more foam. Of course, the dilution, as you keep going through it, the foam will thicken less, or be less thick, but still plenty of foam. Even at its weaker states, it's like some regular shampoos at their starting dilution. So very cool product, DIY Details, Incredible Suds. I really suggest you try this out if you want a long-lasting soap. And it is a thick soap, and it smells like grape. I mean, really grapey. So very cool. Let's keep going with the washing. This was a Trinova brand I got on Amazon. Amazon sold this for, I think it was 12 bucks when I got it. I've seen it go up to like 14 and back down to 12. So the prices go up and down. This is a waterless wash and wax. You can use it as a rinseless wash as well, or a detail spray. It comes in a bottle that has a squeeze measuring top on it. These bottles sell for like $5 or something like that. So the bottle alone is half the price almost. Anyway, you get a lot of bang for your buck. It is a good product. It reminds me of Ultima, and it's somewhere between 12 and 14 bucks on Amazon. Very good product. I suggest you guys try it. Trinova Gold Standard Waterless Wash and Wax. Try this out. You can get it easy, shipped real fast. Another one I tried out lately is Mother's California Gold Waterless Wash and Wax. So I like waterless and rinseless products. This is a waterless. I did a car with this, about 3/4 of a car with this, and it was very good. It had a decent smell to it. I liked it, you know, but it didn't linger long, but it was nice while using it. But the thing I noticed was it cleaned well, and it left a lot of slickness, that feeling of a real slick finish on my car afterward. Now that feeling only lasts for a few days afterwards. Not like I'm rubbing it days on end, but right after the detail and the wash, if there's no dust on it, I will fill the car. And as this starts to cure a couple hours later, it just keeps getting slicker and slicker. So really like the product. You can use this as a detail spray as well, or a spot clean at a car show. So very cool. Mother's Waterless Wash and Wax. All right. Also, that I've really, I'm talking top-notch cleaner here, are the McKee's Polishing Pad Cleaner. This is my absolute favorite. If you guys do some polishing or compounding, stuff like that, where you're using pads, I highly recommend this product. You just spray it on there, let it sit for a couple seconds, work it in with your hand, and rinse it off. The pads will come out brand new, clean again. This is a fast way to clean them if you only use a few pads. If you use a lot of pads, fine, use a lot of pads. Whatever you need to do, this stuff is my absolute favorite. McKee's Polishing Pad Cleaner. I recently tried this Klasse. It's an old school product. It's for your plastics, your interior, basically rubber, vinyl. It's a cleaner and protectant. Now I use this on the leather. It wasn't my favorite on the leather, but it did do a good job. And the car afterward, the leather looked nice. It was vibrant. A little bit of a darker, wetter look on this on the leather, and a little bit streaky it can be on the leather. However, where I'm saying that this product is its best at is on the plastics. So on your door panels, on your dashboard, on your consoles, that's where this product really shines. It is fantastic. I was driving around and I noticed like how good my door panels were looking. I'd say this is one of the best products I've used on plastics that I've used in a long time. So check out that product there for your plastics. Titan from Phoenix E.O.D. It's their hybrid detailer. So kind of like a really strong detailer. Add a few months, 6 to 8 weeks of protection on there. This I like for gloss and slickness. It's top notch for that slickness factor. And I love a slick feel afterward. So I highly recommend you try out the Titan. Very, very good hybrid detailer. And it adds a decent amount of protection for being a detailer. Check that out. And finally, we're gonna go with Duragloss glass cleaner. This is their 761 glass cleaner. Very cheap product to get. Old school, does a phenomenal job at cleaning your glass. You're gonna love it. And I highly suggest you try this as a glass cleaner. Now, all these products here, all of these products can be found at idscarcare.com. So these are some top choice products for you guys to try out all in one place. Buy them, ship them all to you all at one place. You don't need to pay for multiple shipping from different places. Very cool. IDS carries a lot of different products. If you want the Titan, you got to order from Phoenix E.O.D. And if you want the Trinova, you got to get it from Amazon. But the rest of these you can get from IDS. Guys, I hope you like my little top 6 or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My 7 products here I've got. These 2 are the same, so I just count them as one. Try these out. I've been working with them. I like them. And I hope you guys enjoy them too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.